If you're getting the ElevenLabs error 402, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to fix it quickly and safely. This error usually means there's an issue with your usage limits, your voice selection, or the model you're trying to use. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to check your character usage, switch to the correct voices, make sure your script is using a supported model, and upgrade your plan if needed. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your ElevenLabs dashboard. Once you're inside, look toward the top of the screen and click your profile picture. From the menu that appears, select subscription. This is the first thing you should check because the error 402 can appear when you've used up your current monthly character limit. Inside the subscription area, look carefully at your usage details. Check how many characters you've already used and compare that with your monthly allowance. If you're on a free plan or a lower tier plan, you may have reached the maximum number of characters allowed for the month. If that's the case, the platform will stop new generations until your usage resets or your plan changes. If you haven't exceeded your limit, then the next step is to check what voice type you're using. If you are staying on the free tier, you should only use ElevenLabs' built-in pre-made voices through the API. Free plans typically have restrictions, and trying to use library voices, premium voices, or custom voice features can trigger errors like this one. So go back into your setup and make sure you are selecting one of the pre-made voices that is available on your current plan. Next, check the model your script is pointing to. This is a very important step because even if your voice is correct, the wrong model can still cause an error. Make sure you're using a model supported by your tier, such as 11 Multilingual V2, and avoid models that are restricted to paid plans. If your code, app settings, or API request is calling a model that your plan does not support, ElevenLabs may return the 402 error. So review your configuration carefully and confirm that both the voice and the model match what your subscription allows. If you're using the API, double-check your request payload, your model name, and the voice selection before trying again. In many cases, simply switching to a supported pre-made voice and a compatible model will solve the problem immediately. Now, if you need access to library voices, custom voice clones, or a much higher character allowance, the best fix may be to upgrade your subscription. Go to the ElevenLabs pricing page and compare the available plans. Choose the one that fits your workflow best, especially if you generate a lot of audio or rely on advanced voice features. After upgrading, refresh your dashboard, confirm that your plan has updated, and then try your generation again. Once your account is on the correct plan, the 402 error should no longer block your work. So to quickly recap, first, check your character usage in the subscription section. Second, if you're on the free tier, stick to pre-made voices only. Third, make sure your script is using a model supported by your plan, like 11 Multilingual V2. And fourth, upgrade your subscription if you need more characters or premium voice features. If this helped you fix the problem, please hit like and subscribe. It really helps the channel and it lets you find more troubleshooting videos like this one. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next tutorial.